What's up YouTube, it's the Gizmo Pro here. It looks like there's trouble in Samsung paradise. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Galaxy S24 Ultra users complaining about a thin green line appearing on the screen. But before we begin, if you're joining us for the first time, go ahead and click the notification bell icon so you get all my latest content. The recently launched Samsung Galaxy S24 phone is facing a concerning issue. Some users of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra have reported a concerning issue involving a thin green line appearing vertically on their phone displays. This problem seems to be prevalent among early buyers in the US and in India. As more reports surface, it becomes apparent that a significant number of users are grappling with screen-related problems on their S24 devices. The green line issue, initially thought to be an isolated case, is now escalating into a more widespread problem, indicating potential challenges for Samsung. In a similar occurrence of the same problem, users observed a combination of a vertical green stripe and a thin white line running horizontally across the screen. The Samsung Community Forum has witnessed such complaints, with users expressing their grievances. For instance, a user named QU1JCMMACO detailed encountering a vertical green stripe and a horizontal white stripe on their Galaxy S24 Ultra while watching YouTube and during the boot screen. Upon contacting Samsung Care Plus, the user was informed that it was a manufacturing defect. However, Samsung declined to exchange the device for a new one and insisted on the return and repurchase of the unit. This process would nullify any pre-order discounts received. Samsung directed the user to approach T-Mobile for resolution. Complicating matters further, the phone was purchased from Samsung.com and carrier locked to T-Mobile. Samsung asserted that, being financed through T-Mobile, the carrier held the responsibility. Conversely, if the phone had been bought unlocked directly from Samsung, the manufacturer would have assumed responsibility. On Reddit, another Galaxy S24 Ultra owner had the same issue and was told that Samsung would not take responsibility because it was, quote-unquote, a Verizon issue. Again, since the phone was purchased from Verizon, Samsung was correct. The first Verizon store he went to tried to return things around and blame the owner for causing the lines. Giving up, he went to another Verizon store where he was told by a rep that Verizon would do everything it could to, and I quote, to squirm out of any responsibility for providing the warranty. Things became even more complex when attempting to seek warranty support. Some users resorted to purchasing a new Galaxy S24 Ultra unit to replace the one with the faulty screen, expressing concerns about potential issues with trade-in arrangements. The display problems seem to be confined to Galaxy S24 Ultra units sold by US carriers, with unlocked phones from Samsung apparently unaffected. However, this sluggish response and lack of adequate support raises concerns among early adopters, highlighting the need for improved customer service and timely resolution of hardware issues. Fortunately, we got more bad news from Samsung. Samsung confirms it. There will be no fix coming for Galaxy S24 Ultra's vivid display mode issue. That's right, folks. Samsung has confirmed that the vivid display mode issue reported by users of the Galaxy S24 Ultra will not be addressed with a fix. Despite initial indications from a Samsung chat representative suggesting a forthcoming software update to resolve the problem, Samsung Spain clarified that changes in display technology were intentional. Samsung stated that these alterations aim to offer a more natural viewing experience, leading to variations in color depth compared to older devices. The vivid display mode, a feature present in previous Samsung models, allowed users to enhance colors for a more vibrant experience. However, users have expressed dissatisfaction, claiming that the S24 Ultra's vivid mode appears more washed out than its predecessors. Which is kind of true. The vivid mode on my S22 Ultra When you switch between natural and vivid, there is a definite difference, as has been confirmed with users of the S23 Ultra. Same thing, when you switch between natural and vivid, there's a difference. But with the S24 Ultra, that is just not the case. The acknowledgement from Samsung Spain directly contradicts earlier assurances from a chat representative regarding an impending fix through a firmware update for the S24 series. Noted leaker Ice Universe anticipates the release of the new firmware after the Spring Festival in China, estimating it to be around 10 days away. While the update was expected to bring improvements to the cameras, no mention has been made regarding other potential issues such as screen, battery, or performance concerns. Another notable tipster, Tower and Vats, hinted at a new One UI 6.1 build, currently undergoing testing. The company now seems committed to maintaining the current configuration of the Vivid display mode. The extent of this issue's impact remains widespread, with users voicing concerns about the diminished color depth when activating the Vivid display mode on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. I too can confirm the washed out display with the test model that I had of the S24 Ultra. It's definitely noticeable for sure. Now, in other news regarding the camera fix update, some users of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra have reported issues with the camera, with pictures appearing blurry. Samsung has acknowledged this concern and is reportedly working on a fix. Users on Samsung's official forum in South Korea have discussed the problem, prompting a moderator to assure that the issue will be addressed in an upcoming update. The moderator explains that adjustments have been made to the colors and brightness of the S24 Ultra's camera to offer a more natural and three-dimensional effect. Despite minor changes, no significant alterations have been made. Samsung urges users to activate optimal shooting for each scene in the intelligent optimization option for a clearer result. Users now remain in a state of uncertainty and frustration. The delay in resolving these problems, coupled with the acknowledgement of intentional display adjustments, poses challenges for Samsung in maintaining customer satisfaction. The success of the Galaxy S24 series with its ambitious shipment targets hinges on swift resolution of these issues and the delivery of an enhanced user experience. As of this video, I still have not received my S24 Ultra. The shipment has been delayed yet again, now until the 28th. I must admit that all of these issues are making me a little uneasy. Maybe I should have taken advice I received to wait a few months before purchasing a newly released phone. The funny thing is, I had zero issues with my Galaxy S22 Ultra when I got it during the pre-order 2 years ago. Luck of the draw, maybe? I don't know. What do you think, YouTube family? Will Samsung stand by its loyal customers? Or is this an indication of more things to come, more issues down the line? I don't know. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and thanks for continuing to support my channel. Stay tuned for more. See you next time. Peace.